My name is Somya. I am currently pursuing BSc Honours Computer Science and I'm in year 2, semester 2. I decided to study this program with University of London because of its recognized learning and global academic recognition. This degree has given me an idea for the specialization I want to choose. In my last semester, I did a module called Web Development, which made me really interested in creating websites, and I came across the specialization of mobile development. So that particular module has given me interest. The hands-on project I have worked on so far would be making a website, making a game, and I also made a DJ application. Currently, I am doing an internship in software development as well. I balance my studying and working such that I create a timetable with my current lectures, and I usually work during my break. The combination of online and in-person studying, I find that really nice and useful for the current generation we are in, because if you miss something on in-person classes, you can cover it through the online lectures available. The benefits of studying here is the on-campus experience I gain, and the facilities here, the help by the lecturers, are something which is really nice and helpful on campus. The student community at SIM is really bonded. There are a lot of communities here, like I'm also part of the Computer Science Student Council and SIM Economic Society, and there are, I think, more than 50 student communities available on campus, which help you a lot with your hobbies and interests. I would like to give advice to the upcoming students at SIM to enjoy the most of this degree and have fun and take advantage of the on-campus availabilities and the professors you have. I would recommend my degree because it gives you a lot of hands-on experience and the technical and soft skills you need to work out in the world.